pulling away.
Stop. Make sure you record.
Stop.
Make sure you record because this is a normal thing for Florida. Oh, I'm resisting. Oh.
What starts as a routine traffic stop in Florida quickly spirals into absolute chaos when a defiant driver refuses to cooperate with police officers conducting a DUI investigation. You're about to witness a woman who thinks she knows the law better than the cops, leading to a dramatic arrest that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about drivers' rights. From aggressive driving and slurred speech to a full-blown resistance scene involving 3 officers and a 130-pound woman claiming police brutality, this body cam footage captures it all. Will her refusal to take field sobriety tests backfire spectacularly? Stay tuned because this case is about to get wild.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Officer Delayed in the Cape Coral Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is you passed us going 51 on Del Prado, and then you're going about 65 on Veterans, driving in and out of traffic. Do you have your license and registration on you?
Yeah, I need napkins. I have sinus problems. I think my registration's in here. I don't know. Hold on, let me give you my license.
Okay.
That.
Thank you. Any luck on that registration?
Yes, I have my registration. I gotta find. Hold on. I'm sorry.
It's okay. No, you're sorry.
I don't know where the I put it. Honestly, it's in a book. Or oh wait. Hold on.
Where are you coming from tonight?
I picked them up.
Who's them?
Them.
Friends, family?
Friends.
Yep.
Here, love.
Thank you.
What's that?
I have your number.
Do you have an odor? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So, go ahead and set that stuff up there because we don't need it right now. You've seen this?
Yeah.
Have you used it on a DUI investigation?
I've not known.
Alright, so the way this works is, so you're going to ask her to step out of the car. When she comes out, you're going to explain to her that you've got some signs of impairment. You're going to start a DUI investigation. If she asks what you're talking about, you could say, you got odor of alcohol coming from you.
Slurred speech.
There's slurred speech, bloodshot glassy eyes. Did she have bloodshot glassy eyes?
A little bit.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't have a perfect look of her eyes, but her,
Okay.
her speech was slurred, and then I had to keep reminding her to get her registration.
All right. And then you can just say that there's a few other items that I'm seeing. You don't have to go into great detail because then it can become an argument.
Yeah.
But at least you have two indicators, right? And then you can always, your driving's a little aggressive as well, Also, there was a time there that she was crossing the lines. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
When we came up here, she hit that.
She moved over a little bit.
Yeah. So I'll have that. So when you get her out, you're going to say, hey, I want to start a DUI investigation. Are you willing to participate in standardized field?
Sobriety exercise.
Yep. And then from here, you just start at the bottom. Are you sick or injured? Do you have any physical limitations? Right here. The only one that I would, or there's two, doctor, dentist. All right. And then when you say physical limitations, any problems with your hips, your knees, your ankles, your legs, anything like that? No. All right. Are you seeing a doctor or dentist for anything regularly? Type of stuff. And then right here.
Is it just yes or no, or do I get their name?
If they have info, go ahead and draw it. You can write whatever you want on this. You write notes. Yeah. Eyeglasses, contacts, are you blind in either eye? And then from here, we'll do this. All right? Yeah. I'm going to have you do HGN, and then I'm going to do it and check it. Okay? So I'll explain it to her once you do that HGN, and then we'll move into walk and turn one leg stand. It's occupied twice. There's a female in the front as well. All right? So, and then we're going to go ahead and come up with...
Hello, ma'am. Would you step out for me?
Why?
I'm asking you to, please.
No, listen. No questions. Listen. No questions.
No, but I need to know why.
Well, I don't have to tell you why, but I'm going to.
Yeah, let's do it.
I sense some signs of impairment.
I don't want no issues.
Oh my.
Oh, get out.
Just wait in the car. Just wait in the car.
Oh, okay. All right.
Why does it make everything complicated?
Just relax. It's okay.
Step out for me.
But why? Can I ask why?
Yeah, we'll go over it once we're out here.
Okay.
Yeah, just step over here for me.
So the reason we're having you come out is because we're seeing signs of impairment and we want to start a DUI investigation. That means you participating in standardized field sobriety evaluations. Are you willing to participate in standardized field?
No, I'm not impaired. I'm dropping them off over here. I'm going home. I live right off of Nicholas.
Okay. So the only way we can go forward from this is if you participate. If you don't participate, we have to make our judgment based off the observations we've seen so far.
What is your judgment for you to feel that way?
You have slurred speech, an odor of alcohol.
I don't have slurred speech. I don't have alcohol.
If you don't participate in standardized field sobriety evaluations, then you can't dispel our fear of your impairment. Okay? So are you willing to participate in standardized field sobriety evaluations?
What does that include?
We're going to check your eyes, and then we're going to have you do the walk and turn and the one leg stand.
Whatever.
Okay.
So you're willing to participate?
I'm not blowing, but you can do whatever the you want to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just step right in front of the car over here.
So you put you in front of the light so you can feel impaired. Fantastic.
Well, why would the light make you feel impaired?
Because it puts your judgment off, obviously.
All right, so I have some questions for you, okay? Are you sick and injured at all?
But why did you pull me over? Why
pulled
did you
you
pull,
over
Why was I pulled over?
First off, you passed us going 51 on Del Prado. We followed you on Veterans, weaving in and out of traffic, going 60 miles an hour on Veterans.
66 miles.
66 miles an hour.
What? Do you have your proof of that?
Yes. Our observations.
Our
Yes.
observations. As long as
Observation is proof?
yeah.
I don't
Do you
think
want to participate?
so. If I don't, then what? You arrest me?
We have to
Make it a judgment.
What's your judgment?
It's up to you whether or not you want to participate.
I mean, I'm not drunk.
Okay?
If I were or weren't speeding, I'm not saying either or,
Okay. So
but
the
I'm
question
not
I have.
impaired.
Okay, so my question for you is, would you like to participate in some field sobriety exercises to dispel my fear that you may be intoxicated?
Am I allowed to, like, research first?
Research? No.
It's just yes or no.
No.
You don't want to?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, fine, then yes.
Put your hands.
Then yes, yes, yes,
No,
yes.
we're not going back and forth with this.
Why?
Okay? Because
Stop.
Oh, that's
back.
no,
We're not going back
Now
and
I'm
forth.
resisting.
Stop
oh, that's
pulling
very
away.
forceful.
Stop pulling away.
Stop
Make sure you
tensing up.
record.
Stop
Make sure you
tensing
record because this is a normal thing for Florida. Oh, I'm resisting. Oh my God, I'm 100 pounds. I'm resisting.
Stop
pulling away.
resisting.
Woohoo! I'm resisting. What did I do?
Stop pulling away.
What did I do?
Stop pulling away.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Stop resisting.
What did I
Stop
do?
pulling.
Tensing up. Stop.
Pull.
I'm
Pulling away.
okay.
Stop.
I'm tensing up. Okay, I got 3 cops on me, and I'm 130 pounds, not even, and I'm tensing up. Okay. What the f is that?
Stop pulling.
Really? This is okay. Okay. But I need my phone and I need my wallet.
Okay.
If you want to arrest me
Here you go.
for doing nothing, so okay. Blow me. You want to blow? You want to blow? You want to blow?
Yes.
Come on.
The next thing we were going to ask you to do
Come on,
is
let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it
provide
right
a
now.
sample of your breath. to
Let's
determine
do
how-
it right now.
Okay, we're gonna
right
take-
now.
we're gonna
Let's
take
do
you down
it. Let's do it.
Get in the car right now. You open that again, you're going to jail. Do you understand me?
You're grabbing me like that?
Will you keep tensing up?
Oh, okay. You know what's funny?
Go ahead and pat her
is
down, put her in
you're
the car.
gonna- Yeah.
Come over here for me. Come over here.
Stop pulling.
Hey, record this.
Stop
Don't
tensing up.
Are you trying to? What are you doing, bro? Are you trying to, like, assault me? Ew, she's grabbing me.
Stop tensing up.
Tensing up, she's grabbing my... What's on me? Look at me. Back up. What's on me? What's on me?
Sit down.
I want my wallet and my keys.
Get in
and my
the car.
Where's all my... Really? Okay. Okay. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued.
I'll help you with that. Pick it up. Is that one mine? This one's yours, sir. Thank you.
Have them go ahead and step on it.
All right. Stepping out for me.
Drag me out.
Just come back here. Back of the car. Step out for me.
Yes, sir.
Back of the car.
Yes, sir. Sorry. We just met her tonight, and we were just trying to get to the next bar, and that's all that was happening. And she said, we'll take you to the next bar, and that was it. That was all that happened tonight.
So you don't know her personally at all?
No, sir. No, sir.
We just met her at Rusty's.
Yeah, we just met her tonight. We were only at Rusty's for like an hour, and then we went to the deck. We had one drink there, and then we were on our way here. And we were like, would you mind chopping this off? And then she's like, yeah, I can take you. And then we didn't know she was doing this like that. I heard the state speed limit. We didn't know. And yes, I know it's illegal double passengering. But she was just going to drop us off here, and we were going to Uber from here. That's it.
Do you guys have licenses or ID cards?
Yes, I have ID, yes. I just don't know why she was making, like I said, I don't know why she would make a big scene. And, like, you guys were just telling her to get out. That was it. She don't be like, why this, why that? Just follow the rules, just do what they say, please. Like, I was trying to tell her, but she's like, no. No, not really. No,
You
not
just
really.
met her
Yeah,
at Rusty's.
she was already there.
So you
before
weren't
we
with her the whole time?
Yeah, yeah, she was already there before
Maybe like
we
30
were.
minutes.
Yeah.
Did you see her drink anything while you're at Rusty's?
This probably had
No.
like a shot of tequila, maybe.
Tequila.
She had a shot, and then at the deck, she had a shot. That's all.
And then we came here.
Okay.
Yeah. I've never gotten in trouble with cops before, so this is like my first time, and I'm like nervous about it. So that's why I'm all shaky
good?
and antsy.
You guys are both good?
Okay.
Thank you.
Please
Thank you for your time.
try and being safe. Walk in.
Yes, yes. And
And-
I'm actually, like I said,
Get an
I
Uber.
apologize for what you guys have to deal with all the time. I know it's probably rough for you guys. It shouldn't be at all.
All right, remember that, my village.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, you guys have a good
Be
night.
safe.
Thank you. Be safe.
guys.
April 4301, I'll get a check-in 10-4.
Are we leaving?
Yeah.
Can I please get my wallet and my phone because I don't have any like.
Yep. Grab a wallet, phone. Do you have house keys? Do you have house keys? Garage door open.
Okay.
She was sentenced to 6 months of probation, required to complete DUI school, perform 50 hours of community service, and had her driver's license suspended for 6 months.
And there you have it, folks. A textbook example of how not to handle a DUI traffic stop that resulted in serious legal consequences for this Florida woman. Let's break down what just happened here and the critical legal lessons we can all learn from this dramatic encounter. First, let's address the elephant in the room. The initial traffic stop was completely legitimate. Officer Don Corey had reasonable suspicion to pull her over based on multiple traffic violations. Speeding 51 mile arrests in what appears to be a lower speed zone on Delpra, then accelerating to 65 mile on Veterans Drive while weaving in and out of traffic. Many viewers might not realize this, but officers don't need radar or LiDAR proof for every traffic violation. Their trained observations and testimony are legally admissible evidence in court. When she demanded proof of her speeding, she was essentially challenging established legal precedent that has been upheld for decades. Now, let's talk about where this case really went off the rails. Her refusal to cooperate with the field sobriety tests. Here's what many people don't understand about DUI investigations. Once an officer has reasonable suspicion of impairment, which they clearly did here with the odor of alcohol, slurred speech, and erratic driving, you're legally required to make a decision about participating in field sobriety evaluations. The officer was absolutely correct when he explained that refusing the test means they have to make their judgment based solely on their observations up to that point. What's particularly fascinating about this case is how the suspect's own behavior became her worst enemy. Notice how she kept asking why and demanding explanations. While citizens certainly have rights, there's a time and place for legal challenges and the side of the road during an active DUI investigation, isn't it? Her combative attitude, defensive responses, and increasingly erratic behavior only strengthened the officer's case for impairment. The irony is that if she had simply cooperated with the field sobriety tests and passed them, she might have been on her way home that night. Let's address her claims about the lighting affecting the tests. This shows a fundamental misunderstanding of how standardized field sobriety evaluations work. These tests are specifically designed to be administered under various lighting conditions, and officers are trained to account for environmental factors. Her suggestion that the car's headlights would somehow prejudice the results demonstrates either genuine confusion or an attempt to create reasonable doubt where none exists. The resisting arrest charges here are particularly interesting from a legal standpoint. You can hear her repeatedly claiming, "I'm not resisting," while actively pulling away from officers and tensing up during the arrest process. This is a common misconception. Resistance doesn't require active fighting or violence. Simply failing to comply with lawful commands, pulling away, or making yourself difficult to handcuff constitutes resisting arrest without violence, which is exactly what she was charged with. Her comments about being 130 pounds and having 3 cops on her reveal another misunderstanding about police procedures. Officer safety protocols require adequate backup during DUI arrests, especially when suspects are being uncooperative. The number of officers present isn't about overpowering a small person. It's about ensuring everyone's safety and properly witnessing the arrest process for legal purposes. Now, let's examine the final outcome and what it tells us about Florida's DUI laws. Her sentence of 6 months probation, DUI school, 50 hours of community service, and a 6-month license suspension is actually quite standard for a first-time DUI offense in Florida. The resisting arrest charge likely influenced the judge's decision to impose the full range of penalties rather than offering a more lenient plea deal. What makes this case particularly compelling is the contrast between her behavior and that of her passengers. So here, notice how cooperative and apologetic the passengers were. They understood the situation, answered questions respectfully, and were released without incident. This perfectly illustrates how your attitude and cooperation during police encounters can dramatically affect the outcome. The broader implications of this case extend beyond just DUI law. This footage serves as a perfect example of how escalating a routine traffic stop can transform a potentially minor citation into serious criminal charges. Her initial traffic violations might have resulted in a simple ticket, but her decision to refuse cooperation and resist arrest turned it into a criminal case with lasting consequences. From a legal education standpoint, this case highlights the importance of understanding your actual rights versus what you think your rights are. While citizens absolutely have constitutional protections during police encounters, those rights must be exercised appropriately and at the right time, preferably in court with proper legal representation, not on the side of the road during an active investigation. So what's the takeaway here? Cooperation doesn't mean giving up your rights. It means understanding when and how to exercise them properly. If you believe a traffic stop or arrest was unlawful, that's an argument for your attorney to make in court, not something to litigate with officers in real time. If you found this case as shocking and educational as we did, make sure to hit that like button to help us bring you more incredible body cam breakdowns like this one. Drop a comment below and tell us what you think. Was her arrest justified, or did the officers go too far? Would you have handled this situation differently? And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, because We're constantly analyzing the most jaw-dropping police encounters, courtroom dramas, and legal cases that everyone's talking about. Your support helps us continue bringing you these in-depth legal breakdowns that you simply won't find anywhere else.